In this raised bed, we have tomatoes, and tomatoes are going crazy. Some of these vines are already 5 feet. They are setting fruit. This is Cherokee Purple. We have a couple of those. And then we have some beefsteaks. They're coming in quite nicely. And then on the back side, we have some sweetie cherry tomatoes. And these sets, folks, are gonna be 20 plus, just on one set. I mean, it doesn't get much better than that. And all this stuff is grown organically. And you can see underneath, I'm using the tomatoes that have grown up to shade the basil, the lettuce. I have some tennis ball lettuce, some red salad bowl lettuce, even some Yugoslavian red lettuce. And that's all seemed to be doing very well. Some carrots that are actually down here, just seeing how they're gonna do. And some marigolds. Hopefully they will start to flower here. But as far as pest pressure, I haven't had much. Some aphids here and there. Just removed the leaves that they were kind of settling in on. Other than that, there's been nothing. Having all this biodiversity. And I tell you, this compost that the worms are making for me, I added in here and these plants just go crazy. They go crazy. All this DIY, obviously, using some branches, some garden twine. And then I tied it to the top. I put a secondary horizontal one just to give it some balance. And then staked it all the way down to just a garden stake. And as it grew up, just using these little plastic clips, and it works great. Works fantastic. Can't say enough about it. By July, I'm not gonna know what to do with these because they're just gonna be so big. But by then, I'm just gonna have tomatoes coming out of my ears, so it shouldn't really matter much by then.